Welcome to myfamilygenealogy.co.uk, Electronic Family History 2. This talk was delivered on the 19th of May 2020 as a test using Zoom. If you wish to contact me about further talks or webinars, please have a look at my website myfamilygenealogy.co.uk/guidance. Thank you.
So, searching the internet, some really useful techniques now for using the internet, and whether you're using it for family history research or you are using the internet for something completely different, to look for film, to look for sound, to research the weather, whatever it is you are looking to use the internet for, these techniques will work for you, and they will work particularly well for family history research. Entering Robert Parker or your ancestor's name into a computer, the computer has no idea whether that's a person, a pizza, a house, something else. It doesn't work in that way. We know that Robert, myself, is a person, and we enter the name into the search engine knowing that that's a person we're looking for. But the name that you enter is just a label for the computer in the search engine. So if you enter Robert Parker in the search engine, and the only technical term I'm going to use is parse, it will parse the request, it will split the request into two labels, one called Robert and one called Parker. And it will then search billions of pages of text in a split second, looking for instances of where the label Robert is next to the label Parker. If you want to connect to me on social media, there are my handles. Is that the right term now? If you want to take a screenshot of those and connect up on all or one of those, that would be fantastic.